In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to render transparent background with Alpha in Adobe Dimension. If you've ever wanted a clean render you can drop onto any layout without a visible backdrop, this is the workflow you need. We'll use Dimension to generate a layered file in Photoshop to finalize the transparent result. Start in Adobe Dimension and switch from the Design workspace to Render mode. This is where you control how your scene is output. For the format, choose PSD. PSD is the best choice here because it preserves layers and includes an alpha channel, which is what gives you true transparency around your subject. With PSD selected, go ahead and render the image. Depending on your scene complexity and quality settings, this may take a moment. When it's finished, Dimension will save out a PSD file you can open in Photoshop. Open that PSD in Photoshop. You'll notice that the file isn't flattened. Typically, you'll see a layer for your main render, plus additional layers for the background or environment. That structure is exactly why we used PSD. Now, to reveal transparency, simply turn off the visibility of the background or environment layer. If you prefer to keep your document tidy, you can delete that layer instead. But toggling it off is a safe way to preview the result while keeping your options open. With the background hidden, you should see a checkerboard pattern behind your object. That checkerboard indicates a transparent canvas, meaning you're working with Alpha correctly. Zoom in around edges, shadows, or glassy materials to confirm that semi-transparent areas are preserved. This is especially useful if you plan to composite the render over photos, gradients, or colored backdrops later. When you're happy with the look, you have two ways to save. If you need a flat image that maintains transparency and is easy to use across design tools and on the web, save it as a PNG with transparency. PNG supports Alpha, so anything that was checkerboard in Photoshop will remain see-through. If you want to keep editing flexibility, keep the layered PSD as your master file. That way, you can revisit the scene layers, adjust color and lighting passes, or swap the background on the fly without re-rendering. And that's it. By choosing PSD in Dimension, rendering the scene, hiding the background in Photoshop, and exporting a PNG, you get a clean, reusable render with a proper transparent background and alpha channel.